If you're looking to use Unicode for interactive print media, you're in the right place. But before you jump in, there's something you should know. While Unicode is a solid option, it's not the only one, and some alternatives might actually be better for your needs. Stick around, and I'll break it all down. So, let's get straight to how Unicode works and what you need to know before using it. First up, Unicode lets you create dynamic QR codes for print materials, which means you can update the linked content without reprinting. This is great for businesses that run promotions, update menus, or need to change landing pages frequently. You get analytics, tracking who scans your QR codes, their location, and what device they're using. That's useful, but some competitors offer even deeper analytics, like heat maps and session replays. Next thing, you can add branding and customization. With Unicode, you can change the color, add your logo, and even make the QR codes blend into your design. The customization options are decent, but they do come with limitations, especially compared to platforms that allow animated QR codes or more advanced design flexibility. Another key feature is security and access control. Unicode offers password protection, expiring links, and geo-restrictions, which is useful if you're running exclusive promotions or want to limit access to specific regions. This is a solid feature, but again, some alternatives provide more granular user access controls or multi-factor authentication for added security. The fourth thing, integrations, Unicode integrates with Google Analytics, HubSpot, and other tools, so you can pull your QR code data into existing workflows. But if you need deeper CRM integrations or automation triggers, some competitors might be a better fit. One limitation worth noting, pricing. Unicode has a free trial, but the premium plans can get expensive, especially for businesses that need high scan limits or advanced analytics. Some alternatives offer more features at a lower price, or even unlimited scans on certain tiers. Now, before you decide, here's the best part. We've got an exclusive and extended free trial to Unicode, plus we've listed some even better alternatives for interactive print media, all with free trials. If you want the best value, check out the first link in the description. You'll get exclusive benefits only available through our link. Try it out, compare your options, and let me know which one works best for you.